Your Fire Stick remote suddenly stops working properly and most people think it's broken or needs replacing. But the real fix takes less than 2 minutes and it's hiding inside one simple settings menu Amazon never tells you about. If your button stopped responding after switching TVs or setting up a new Fire Stick, don't go anywhere. I'm about to show you the exact fix step by step. What's up everyone? Welcome back to Electronic Secrets. So here's the deal. If you recently bought a new TV or you just set up your Fire Stick for the first time, there's a really good chance your remote's volume and mute button just stopped working. Don't worry. This is super common and it's an easy fix. Let's get into it. Here's why this happens. Your Fire Stick remote is paired to control a specific TV brand through something called HDMI-CEC and IR blasting. So when you swap out your old TV for a new one, say you had an LG and now you have got a Samsung, your remote is still trying to send volume and mute signals to the old TV. That's why those buttons just stop responding. The good news, we just need to tell the Fire Stick which TV we are using now. Let's fix it. Alright, grab your remote and follow along with me. From your Fire Stick home screen, go up to Settings. Scroll over to Equipment Control. Now scroll down and select Manage Equipment. Click on TV. Now look for the option that says Change TV. On the right side, you will actually see your old TV listed. For example, mine still shows higher from my previous setup. Even though I am now using a Samsung, that's exactly why the remote's volume and mute buttons aren't working. It's still mapped to the wrong TV. Press OK to change TV. A pop-up will appear asking if you want to change your TV or cancel. Go ahead and select Change TV. On the next screen, hit Next to continue. The setup process will take a few moments to run. While it's working, here's a pro tip. You can also turn your TV's power by saying Alexa turn off the TV and your TV will be turned off. Once it's done scanning, you will see a drop down list of TV brands. Scroll through and select the brand you currently own. In my case, that's Samsung. So I'm selecting Samsung. After you select your brand, you will get a confirmation message that says your Fire Stick remote has been updated successfully. Now let's head back to the home screen and put it to the test. I'm going to press the volume up button and there it is. Volume is working perfectly. Let's try mute and boom, mute it. Just like that, your remote is fully functional again. And that's it guys. That's all it takes to fix your Fire Stick remote's volume and mute buttons after switching TVs or setting up a new device. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials just like this every single week to help you get the most out of your devices. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.